Sounds of Greatness.
Check. Right now, this is NICO I'm checking into Guinness Sounds of Greatness. You know, it's a mad party, the mad show we're going right around the island. You know, Jamaica sponsored by Guinness, you know. And so far, clash go on wicked. It's a wicked clash. But still, we never catch you all like that. We're not catch you all like that. We're going to rewind and we're going to catch some of it. But tonight are the big deal. Tonight are the finals. It's between PANTHER and SK Sound, one of the ugliest selector them. But I watch the ugliness, him bad. You understand? And I don't feel like SK are going to take it tonight. No disrespect to PANTA as an original dinosaur in the business, like Mataran and myself. But I feel like SK, the young youth, are going to take it because him can perform. And you will all see. Guinness Sounds of Greatness. NICO Bamba with NICO Supreme. Check in. Load.
Well, this is G Fire from SK International.
And you know I mix up Shaka this, the girl them ugly teddy bear, up and gunning. Jamaica, big up on yourself, you know. Here we go on. Tonight, I don't know about the rest of the night, them, you know. But tonight, a Pink Panther, dead night. And I said dead night. It's like when time, dead night.
Pink Panther, the general, the world general, check in. Mask camp, I go burn up here now. When I come on a side sale, when I come on a joke something, kill me come for kill. That me say me come for do. Looking at me eye. Guinness, people dead.
War. So this is what I'm gonna do now. Could I get two of my Guinness ladies on stage, please? Now, just like in our school days, if two teams go up against them one another, A1 team. I don't want to pass, the next team, I don't want to pass, but can't bother, boy, that's a problem. Good night tonight. You have the magic number, a two magic number there, you will a number. Serious face, no smiling. War face. Now this is what I'm gonna do. When I walk over this, so swaggerific style, and just choose a girl and make she smile. Walk over there for your girl, Guinness girl. Serious, because see the real thing. Let me see. The number tells who goes first. So SK, you will play second. Pink Panther goes first. Go and organize in a set now. And I'm gonna make the girl him trick on him now, you know.
The highlight of Guinness Sounds of Greatness is sounds going up against each other in a musical battle, in a musical war, in a showing dub plate. And if you know anything about dub plate, it govern clash. So tonight in the final you have SK and you have Pink Panther. Now we have a lot of special guests for the final. Shadrach, Violence, D-Unit that we both represent, and among some wonderful artists that are going to be here. Ding Dong, DEMARCO. I must shout out to our judges who have made the journey special also. Tony Mataran and Mr. Mikey Bennett. And we have some special guest judges for tonight. But I must commend Guinness. I must commend Guinness to preserving the life of our culture, which is dancehall, and clashing a part of the culture of dancehall. So I must say hats off to Guinness. I don't wear my hat tonight, but hats off to Guinness. Wonderful job. And I think the final tonight is going to be great. Made up more final tonight. Trust me, it's going to be a made up more final.
Guinness Sounds of Greatness.
It's Guinness Sounds of Greatness 2015. I'm your host, BADDA, BLING. Tonight is gonna get crazy. Main events, are you ready for tonight? Everybody saw the order. Make some noise. Put on the lighter. Wake up in
Right now this is a serious time, son boy, I go die. SK, I got the Dean, I'm a scam tonight.
I'm gonna show you what they call me the general.
Yeah, what I say? Now where me on, is.
Look at that muscle! Look here!
Some are who say me PANTA, me root and not power.
Look at that muscle!
All which I know
This is Guinness Sounds of Greatness 2015. War is the topic of the night. SK International!
Big Dr. Stinking Shabba. I'm gonna put SK International Sound. SK!
Yes, Guinness Sounds of Greatness, the first round. The recap is this. Panta play about 10 custom, and Chaka come whine and wiggle. Some of them never whine and wiggle and win clash now, but I say look, but here we go now. Second round I go talk, because Chaka have no more dub. Chaka have no more dub.
Now mix up Shaka this from SK International attack. As you can see side of me, I shoot a G fire. And you don't know the first round that a normal juggling. Like when a promoter on a book with to play our party or an event. Jamaica, I want to say S, and we say K. Kendall Crash.
You want a vibe, so?
Yeah.
Alright.
Come on. Yeah.
Arnold.
It's all good.
Roll out, okay.
When you run them, why you cry? When you rise, the love you hear you fall. But hope and pray, that shine like my way. Hope and pray. What am I doing? The ace!
Back out here, son. They're going to give the microphone and you're going to introduce the song like a bad selector and bossy place.
Yo, good night. All the people them, when you say, before you reach where you're at, you have to go through struggles and you have to cross some long, long journey. Put up to one another year, man, I say. Many rivers to cross.
You see the next Anya? You see me give the microphone. When you're looking at the crowd and say, people, one thing and the spine thing and right round the crowd. You go so. You go so. Put it, come on. Put your foot so. You say people and go so. And then the song. See it? Wait, you understand? Do it now. People.
Pan we bad Gaza, pan we bad. Pan we bad Gaza, pan we bad. Pan we bad Gaza, pan we bad. Food, we are being bad one, them a camouflage.
Give them a bigger round of applause than that.
Stay tuned. Less than 3 minutes. I'm going to take it to a break. Quick. Terrorize them. Guinness. Bread. Water.
Guinness, sounds of greatness.
Ladies and gentlemen, Guinness Sounds of Greatness, shall we welcome again? Big Panther!
Shut up. Y'all not gonna compare us to the general. They want to be idiot. The 5-star general was stepping in their face.
They only want to.
Look at the machine, bro. Look at that.
wanna make me nice. You miss the pen, panta bill to shot between your eyes. Gunshot to your brain.
Now my brother, he said to me, fire!
Come on, catch back. You take a roll and jump up and skin out and carry on the world in the back pocket of music. I'm gonna disgrace you. A big and teacher shaka.
Hey, Judy, Pink Panther in the love.
Pull up. That's the Panther round. The round there. Basketball is about the round there. Big up all who are cheering for one. Big up all who are cheering for the other. Big up the neutral people there. One else about the round there.
Confusing Pink Panther, the general. We're not telling me like whole Manchester. Pink Panther, the five-star. I Richie feeling this. I represent for the clash, the greatness clash. I hear me. I SK me I run it. The ugliest selector in Jamaica right now. You understand? Hitman Shaka.
Hold on the mask here. I'm gonna say one thing to you. A man like me, we're born 1980, the 13th of July. You think me I'm gonna follow no old dinosaur and jump up and down through forest? Eh? And me have Rip and Road. A long time we don't watch Chuck Norris. I be a bad people movie we watch. All I man never come to visit so dead. And the people never come from Jamaica to visit so dead. Say dead! Play me song. Some sound of the two face at one. Yes, one time go on the Pink Panther, no matter what I say. One time when it come a Christian and silent, I push me out the country. I want heap of money I give me. And tell me say you top push cat. All who say shut up with top push cat. Say top push cat. Guinness me a drink, please sir.
Look at my face good. Look at my face good. Where will you give me from? Give me. Swap. Give me.
Oh, gas the people, we gon' bust this cylinder.
Slow them up, be a feeling them not happy. No boy can't kill me.
Make talk so them don't like we. I miss a road help cares. I mean I said this is DEMARCO represent for Guinness Sounds of Greatness Finals. We are going to a short break, but we'll be back soon. Hear that? Bono.
Guinness, Sounds of Greatness.
Remember we did tell you about bad mind, friend. Bono. I mean say from you turn your back them on your life, yeah. Cause them not like we.
But anything must can talk, them can differ. For sure. Me say the boy, them want we dead. Champion we back up when them see we dead. Guinness to them say we don't lie. But my God, so let me up. Come you up pray my life, get with it. We don't care. Yo, them say me a iron balloon. I mean not reach the way in the life. But to the whole world, I must keep me the dirty. Yeah, it's a little because me say besides when I use countergraphic. What's the way the clan countergraphic? Me say prosperity me walk out without wisdom, no. All who love them life, let me see what I represent right now. From the love the life must come. Represent America. Bueno. Me say me love my life. Must stop love them life. It is them love them life. That's why we say, that's what represent. No, no, we don't know what we tomorrow. She got it up, 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 she got it up. Yes, yes, right now in that basket. Help me work on that. Yeah, that goes right tonight. Nothing more than you back push. Everybody standing so. No linger, no linger, no linger, no linger, no linger, no linger, no linger. The show them make the finger. So, Siva, 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 Siva. Baby. Jesus Christ. Yes! Huh? Chippy.
Think that we're not getting no breathing space.
I guess fast enough. Everybody stand it. I guess so. Watch out. Everybody. Yes, 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 yes. We gotta get some. We gotta get some. We gotta get some. Someone else say, run up on them, run up on. I'm gonna say, wow, we do it, wow.
Guinness, sounds of greatness.
Tonight I'm looking for that special selection that blow the roof off the place, you know, that really, where the introduction and the selection come together like old time, like the good old days, you know, that make people know that dance are alive and well. So I really want to big up Guinness for putting on this thing, and we want to big up all the DJs who took part of our selectors and made the best sound with.
Remember say and I run things, no sound can test because Pink Panther sound are the best. Pink Panther murder sound in the dancehall style of yours, sir. Remember say and I run things. Basket! We come to murder tonight. In a terrible form we're gonna murder you. I wasn't gonna play that song by thinking, man, yes? Murder them Chris Cross, cause them can't come cross, man. Them for know the original song around dance hall, yes.
All who want them go up, fight to country, fight to country, fight to country, fight to country. Hey boy, where you go? That's what I'm gonna kill you. Watch it up! Listen! Do the Murphy! Somebody put it out when I can reach it. Will! I want this to be strong. But them just right down. Worries in the past, worries tonight. Under the mountain, worries.
All I want them to bring out them girl on Sunday. Put up a dance
so in here. You man never go to the man. Put up a man in here. No one in here. Ice cream. Ice cream, Sonia. Ice cream, Sonia. What the lights for them though? What the top shit? Everybody, one pass your business. That's it. The war. Guinness. Who win the war? Make nice now.
Guinness, sounds of greatness.
No soul up on the SK body soul 1 ton.
You know what's a big up PANTA, the 5-star general.
SK sound, body sound in town.
I represent for Pink Panther. I don't know, so I know him from a taller time.
And I run town, SK and the body sound. We got the 5-star general, Pink Panther on my left. SK and the biggest sound in town.
To be honest with you, I'm neutral. Let the better man win.
You must have a favorite. Well, lad and brat.
I'm not saying who's gonna win. One song is from country and one is from town.
Alright, now you come from country. Talk about who wanna win. SK.
Yeah, I'm from country, but I'm not saying who's gonna win.
Every time.
But I'm from country, right? So, to the months.
But in the meantime, there is a winner. There is. And I have to say, Panther did what he could do. Yeah, you understand me? And respect to Panther, because you have a good night and a bad night. Good night and a bad night, that's what it was. You know, and it's great to see we're not being biased, we're not showing for that disrespect. But the winner for the Guinness Clash tonight goes to Escape!
We finally reached the end of Guinness Sounds of Greatness. Can you believe it?
No.